What if the hardest part of living in America isn't finding a job, paying rent, or learning English, but simply understanding how money works? Many newcomers arrive with savings, education, and experience, yet still struggle to rent homes, get loans, or qualify for credit because moving to America quietly resets your financial identity to zero. Today in this video, we'll reveal the step-by-step system that takes you from new immigrant to financially stable. To understand money in America, imagine a large machine labeled the U.S. financial system. Inside this machine are moving gears called banking, credit, taxes, insurance, and investing. When the machine runs smoothly, opportunities open, money grows, and life becomes easier. But when you don't understand how it works, money disappears through hidden costs and closed doors. The first rule of building wealth in America is simple. You must enter the system before you can benefit from it. Once you understand how this machine works, you can control your financial future instead of reacting to it. The entry point into this system is a bank account. Without one, you are financially invisible. Employers pay electronically, rent and bills require digital payments, and your financial history begins only when your money becomes trackable. Imagine standing outside the financial machine holding cash while everyone else inside receives opportunities. The moment you open a checking account, the system recognizes you and your financial identity begins. But here's something many newcomers learn the hard way. Banks are businesses that generate revenue through fees, penalties, and interest charges. Missing a payment or overdrawing your account may seem like a small mistake, but over time, these costs quietly drain your savings. Financial stability starts not just with using banks, but understanding their rules and managing your account carefully. Now, here comes the most surprising part of the American financial system. In many countries, financial strength depends on how much money you have. In the United States, financial power depends on a number called your credit score. This number acts like your financial reputation. It determines whether you can rent an apartment, finance a car, qualify for loans, or even pay lower insurance rates. And here is the reality that shocks most newcomers. Your financial history from your home country usually does not transfer. You start from zero, regardless of how responsible you were before. So what builds this powerful number? Your credit score measures trust. Paying bills on time increases trust, keeping debt low improves your score, and maintaining accounts longer strengthens your reputation. Every financial decision sends a signal about reliability to lenders and institutions. Here's the hidden truth most people never realize. Two people earning the same salary can live completely different financial lives because of their credit score. One pays low interest and builds wealth faster, while the other pays more for everything. Understanding this system changes everything and gives you financial control. But how do you build credit if you have no history? The answer is simple, but requires patience and consistency. Many newcomers begin with secured credit cards or credit building accounts designed for beginners. The goal is not to borrow large amounts of money, but to demonstrate responsible behavior over time. Spend small amounts, pay the balance completely, and repeat consistently to show reliability. Over time, your financial reputation grows automatically and opportunities begin to open. Trust is built slowly, but its impact is powerful and long-lasting. Now, let's talk about one of the biggest financial traps in America. Credit cards may look like extra money, but they are borrowed funds that must be repaid with interest. When balances remain unpaid, interest grows quickly, turning small purchases into large debts. Across the United States, credit card debt has reached record levels, showing how easily people fall into this cycle. Imagine your wallet slowly leaking money through interest, penalties, and late fees. At first, the leaks are small, almost invisible, but over time, they become serious financial damage. The rule for financial stability is simple. Treat credit as a tool for building trust, not as income for spending. Another challenge many immigrants face is sending money to family members abroad. Millions of newcomers regularly transfer money overseas, but hidden fees and exchange rate costs can reduce how much money actually arrives. A small percentage charged on each transfer may not seem significant, but over months and years it adds up to a large amount. Choosing the right transfer service can save thousands of dollars over time and protect your earnings. This is why understanding international money transfers is an important part of financial success for immigrants and global families. But earning and sending money is only part of financial stability. Protection is equally important because unexpected events can disrupt even strong financial plans. Life in America can be unpredictable and expensive. A medical emergency, sudden job loss, or unexpected repair can create serious financial pressure. This is why building an emergency fund is essential for long-term stability. Think of it as a financial shield protecting your future from uncertainty. If your income stopped tomorrow, how long could you survive? Financial experts recommend saving several months of living expenses because emergencies are not rare, they are inevitable and often costly. Another major adjustment for newcomers is understanding taxes. In the United States, your full salary does not go directly into your pocket. Portions are automatically deducted for federal taxes, state taxes, and social programs that support public services. Many immigrants are surprised when their first paycheck is smaller than expected. Understanding taxes early helps you avoid penalties, claim refunds, and manage your income wisely throughout the year. Financial stability depends on what you keep, not just what you earn after deductions. Protection also includes insurance, which many newcomers underestimate at first. In America, one accident or medical emergency can cost thousands of dollars and create serious financial stress. Health insurance, car insurance, and renter's insurance protect your financial progress from unexpected risks. Without protection, years of savings can disappear overnight due to one event. Insurance is not simply an expense, it is financial security that protects your long-term goals. Now we reach the most powerful step in building long-term wealth: investing. Saving money protects it, but investing helps it grow over time. Imagine planting a small seed that slowly grows into a tree producing more money year after year. This is the power of compound growth working in your favor. Your money earns returns, those returns generate more returns, and wealth increases gradually. Here's the hidden risk many people ignore. If your money sits idle, inflation slowly reduces its value. Prices rise, purchasing power falls, and savings lose strength over time. Investing helps your money grow faster than rising costs and builds long-term security. Financial decisions also depend on the broader economy around you. Interest rates change, housing costs rise, and living expenses shift over time based on economic conditions. Understanding these changes helps you make smarter decisions about borrowing, saving, and investing. Those who understand the system adapt faster, avoid risks, and build wealth more effectively. So, what does the full journey from newcomer to financial stability look like? It follows a clear and structured path. First, enter the system by opening a bank account and becoming financially visible. Next, build your credit reputation to unlock opportunities. Then, control debt and avoid financial leaks that drain your income. Protect your future with savings and insurance to manage risk. Finally, grow your wealth through investing and long-term planning. Each step supports the next and strengthens your financial foundation. Financial stability is not one decision, it is consistent behavior practiced over time. Here is the most important insight of all. America rewards financial knowledge as much as hard work and income. Two people can work equally hard, earn similar incomes, and experience completely different financial outcomes. The difference is understanding the system and using it wisely. When you understand the rules, opportunities increase, risks decrease, and wealth becomes achievable. Moving to a new country means learning new rules about culture, language, and society. But the most important rules are often invisible, the rules of money. Once you understand them, the system that once seemed confusing becomes predictable. And when money becomes predictable, your future becomes stable. If you want to understand how money really works in America and build your financial future step by step, make sure you like and subscribe. Every video on this channel helps you master the financial system, avoid costly mistakes, and build a smarter future in your new home. Your journey to financial stability starts with knowledge, and the next step begins right here.